how you can use a QR code in Telegram to scan and share your Telegram account. Now you can use this to add your friends, or you can use this to be added as a friend. Now let us start. First, just open up Telegram, and after you open the Telegram, go to your settings. Now after you go to your settings, on the top left corner you will see the QR code option. Just tap on it, and right there you will see your QR code. Now you can use this QR code for someone else. You can show it to them and they will scan it and they can add you as a friend. Now the other way is you can just tap on share QR code and you'll be able to share it via messages or WhatsApps or any other social media too. So you can just take out your camera and you can scan someone else's QR code to add them as a friend too. So that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and bye bye, take care.